Welcome to Shanghai Yingyong Machinery Company Ltd. Our company is located in Shanghai. We are specializing in the production of all kinds of cement machinery, metallurgical machinery, power equipment, mining machinery. We have the strength of design, research and development, manufacturing, installation and commissioning, and after-sales service. We can provide you with high-quality products and one-stop solutions. We have completed many EPC plant projects for international customers. We have won high praise from customers. Our factory has strong casting, forging, welding, processing, assembly, testing capacity. Our inspection includes MT magnetic particle flaw detection, UT ultrasonic flaw detection, PT penetrant flaw detection, RT radiographic flaw detection, and other inspection technologies. Our strict QCP plan makes every product high quality. Our main products include ball mill, vertical roller mill, rotary kiln, crusher, roller press, apron feeder, cooler, stacker and reclaimer, separator, NPK fertilizer production line. Our products have the CE ISO certifications. We can also provide OEM products for you and accept the inspection of SGS, TUV, BV, and other international well-known testing companies. Our products have been exported to more than 100 countries, including America, Russia, Spain, Italy, Saudi Arabia, Finland, Australia, Indonesia, Brazil, Chile, Pakistan, Egypt, Mexico, Kazakhstan. We provide 24-hour online consultation. Welcome to send inquiries and visit our factory. We look forward to cooperating with you.
The blanking workshop is designed to efficiently complete the blanking process. It is equipped with CNC flame cutting machines, CNC plasma cutting machine, laser cutting machines, bandsaw mill, 2,500-ton oil press machine, and shot blasting machines. Our metal workshop is mainly responsible for metal processing, which includes digital controlled lathe, 5M NC vertical lathe, NC boring machines, 3x8M NC gantry milling machines, traveling column CNC boring and milling machines, etc. The structural parts workshop is organized for the manufacturing of equipment parts. The workshop is equipped with 71 sets of equipment covering plate rolling machines, gas-shielded welding machines, and automatic welding machines. Our machining workshop is designed for the manufacturing of large welded parts and the cylinders of rotary kilns and grinding mills. It is equipped with large production equipment such as boring milling machines, 4x16M gantry boring and milling machine, 8M NC vertical lathe, and pipe machining lathe, and traveling cranes with 125-ton lifting capacity, etc. Large pipe machining lathe made by our company independently is for the production of large and heavy cylinder machining. We are able to complete the milling and drilling process simultaneously. The assembly workshop is for product assembly with 3 heavy assembly test run platforms operating here. The LRM vertical mill is the core equipment of our raw material grinding production line. It combines the processes of crushing, grinding, drying, powder sieving, and conveying. The process is simple, it is highly efficient in drying, allows large-sized particles, and possesses a high grinding efficiency.
Vertical mill factory case. Ball mill factory case. Ball mill at work. Ball mill delivery preparation.